So if n is an integer, is n minus 1 even? So in order to figure this one out, we basically need to figure out whether n itself is even or odd, and then the number before that will be the opposite, right? Because numbers go, even, odd, when you count them out. Let's tackle those statements. N minus 2 is odd. So n minus 2, we can just map that out onto our thing here. N minus 2 is odd, so if we go forward 2, this must be where n is. N itself is odd. So this is enough to tell us that n minus 1, which would be back 1 in the other direction, this is n minus 1 here, that's enough to tell us that it is even. So this one is sufficient to tell us yes. So we can get rid of this one. It's not statement 2 alone, nor is it one of the ones where they're insufficient. Statement 2 tells us that n plus 1 is even. So right. So n minus 2 is odd. Therefore, n minus 1 had to be even. If n plus 1 is even, so let's just say this is n plus 1 here. Therefore, this one would be n, right? Because we'd go 1 back. And the question is n minus 1 even. So this here would be n minus 1. So if n plus 1 is even, n minus 1 is also even. So using the properties of numbers again, we find out that yes, this is sufficient to tell us yes, n minus 1 is even. Either statement alone is sufficient. Answer choice D.